everyone, this is Jest from Deducted iTech Solutions. Before we dive into today's big news, here's something for you. Do you need a website to host your elections or events? Contact 0541709799 or visit justvote.com today. Now, let's get into the major news of the day. The Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA, has officially confirmed that the electronic transfer levy, E-Levy, betting tax, and emissions tax will be repealed at midnight tonight. This follows President John Dramani Mahama's signing of new legislative bills into law. Nana Poku, the head of the E-Levy unit at the GRA, told Asas News that all systems are being updated to ensure that from 12 a.m. on Thursday the 3rd of April 2025, Ghanaians will no longer have to pay these taxes. This is a huge relief for many people who have been calling for the removal of these levies since they were introduced. According to GRA officials, necessary directives have been issued, and from midnight, there will be no deductions for the E-Levy, betting tax, or emissions tax. This move fulfills a major campaign promised by Mahama and the National Democratic Congress, NDC, ahead of the 2024 elections. Many Ghanaians have protested against these taxes, especially the E-Levy, which increased the cost of mobile money transactions. The betting and emissions taxes also faced strong resistance from businesses and individuals alike. At a ceremony at Jubilee House on Wednesday, April 2, 2025, President Mahama emphasized his administration's commitment to easing the financial burden on citizens. He stated that eliminating these taxes will help boost economic activity, provide relief to businesses, and put more money in the pockets of ordinary Ghanaians. What to do if you're still being deducted if, after midnight, you still notice deductions for E-Levy, betting tax, or emissions tax? Here's what you should do. 1. Contact your service provider and report the issue. 2. Reach out to the GRA via their official helpline. 3. Keep track of your transactions and deductions for any necessary refunds. This is a major win for Ghanaians. What do you think about this move? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Before we wrap up, do you need data bundles? Check the description below and buy cheap data from Just Data Plug today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Jest from Deducted iTech Solutions. See you in the next video.